I suspected. Starts very easy. It's just running like probably 2 hours ago. I've never driven a General before. It's got a pretty sweet setup for a driver. Really good visibility. Plenty of space in here for a tall guy.
Gotta love a Detroit. Nothing else better than that, boys.
Absolute theory.
Heck yeah, baby. Love me a GMC. Hey guys, welcome to Beater Cars Workshop. Now I'm just finishing uploading a video for you guys, and here's another one I'm going to be working on. Got this kit here. This is the GMC General big semi truck. This is I had bought a stash a few years ago, and this is one of the kits that were in it. So it's a nice box art. Maybe I might keep it. Pretty rare. You don't see that kit around too often. So let's have a look at it. See how we go. Always like these stripes, eh? Always neat stripes on these trucks. Class. Very classy. Don't know what kind of suspension it has in it. We'll soon find out. So, here we go. Here's all the specs. Rear axle, Rockwell. Yeah. I guess he had all sorts of brands of suspension. I'm kind of familiar with the Hendrickson, I guess, but they all had their own thing. Holland fifth wheel, sleeper. 100-gallon fuel tanks, that's cool. Duals. Cool Detroit diesel. Turbocharged. Now these were the good motors. The Detroit 8V92. Many years ago I had a chance to drive a old International that had a 6V diesel in it, 2-stroke diesel. I think the Detroits are all the same. I'm not too sure. I don't know a whole lot about the heavy stuff anymore. I used to really know all about the heavy equipment stuff, but all the information's kind of gone. 13-speed Fuller. Yeah, it's a cool kit. I always like the interiors too. The interiors are always really cool. So The truck I drove at work, I was driving a Peterbilt and plow truck. There's a 18 speed in it. Old Peterbilt. So it was so worn out that the transmission was so worn out, you didn't have to even use the damn clutch. Just gears just slide in like nothing. So anyway, yeah, nice box art for sure. Anything else? Nothing else really to show about it. Okay, get to what's on the inside. This trailer with that too, but whether we build it as a cover trailer, I'm not sure yet. To me, to build it as a flat deck trailer and put something really cool on it, we shall see. So anyway, alrighty, well, stay tuned for those two things coming up soon. Next project on the bench. Kind of everything on the bench. Bench is kind of small. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates. I'll try to get more updates on these kits here, kind of step by step kind of thing. You know how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.